Good morning and welcome back IP students. Here we are with a new video lecture, and till now you understood about how to create data series, you understood about how to create data frame with by using different objects such as list, such as dictionary, such as tuple and all, right? This video lecture, it is related with how to merge two different data frames with each other, and this particular topic is of 2 marks according to your board blueprint, according to your CBSE class 12th informatics practices subject blueprint, right? So here just see, to understand the concept means how we can connect, how we can add, or we can say how we can merge two different data frames. We are having different functions. The very first function that is there in Python Panda, it is merge function. The second function is concate function, and the third one is append function, right? These three different functions are there in Python Panda to connect, to merge, or to add two different data frames with each other, right? So here in this video we will discuss about what is the merge function, what are the different roles of this merge function right here. So that very first, just see what is there on the board. Here I have created 4 different data frames, df1, df2, df3 and df4, and here if you can see that part of the board, on that portion I have created some drawings 1, 2, 3 and 4, and name of these drawings are inner join, outer join, left join and right join. All the concepts are there, you can use with this merge function, right? So very first we are going to start merging of the data frame 1 with the data frame 2. Just see what is there in the data frame. Here this data frame contains a city column and a temperature column. Two different columns are there, and 0, 1, 2, these are the indexes. And if we talk about the data frame 2, in this data frame, city column and humidity column, right? Two different columns are there in this data frame. Now, if we want to merge these two frames, means what? City is a common column. Based on the city, तो जो result आएगा, the resulting data frame, if you are going to merge these two frames, then the resulting frame contain city column as well as temperature column as well as humidity column. Right? These three columns are there in the output in the merged data frame. So how you can merge it? Just see, I have created one new data frame. Name of the data frame is df5, and just see what is the command over here. df5 equal to pd dot merge df1 comma df2. Merge is a function, and with help of merge function we merge data frame 1 and data frame 2. Right here the thing is, these two data frames holds same cities. Jaipur is here also, Jaipur is here also. Delhi, Delhi, Mumbai, Mumbai. So our first concept is related with the data frames. They are having same records, right? Cities are same here, but temperature are different. Now, if we use this command, df5 equal to pd dot merge, small letter, df1 comma df2. So just see what will be the output, what is there in this newly created data frame 5. If you see what is there in the data frame 5, just see df5 should be city column is there in this data frame, then temperature column is there, temp, humidity column is there, humidity. These three columns are there in the newly created data frame, and these columns are created automatically by using this merge command. Now just see what is there. df.merge, pd.merge, df1 comma df2, and here I just use one attribute on equal to city. I am going to merge these two databases on the basis of city column. So for that I use on equal to, just write the column name city. Now what will happen? The first city Jaipur will be there at very first. Jaipur. Here it is Jaipur, Jaipur. Then the second city, Delhi. And the third city, it is Mumbai. All the cities are common in these two data frames. I am telling you again. Right? Then it is the 0th index, 0, 1, 2. These are the indexes. And then your computer is going to merge. Temperature is 19 here. Delhi 16, temperature of Mumbai it is 23, and then the data from this table, this data frame 65, 66, 72. This is the result if you use this command merging, right? Merging is based on a specific column, and the name of the column you should supply with on attribute of the merge function. On equal to city, city is common, and the values that are there in these two different columns, temperature and humidity, these values are attached with it, right? This is the output. We use this command on those data frames that are having same city in it, right? Now just see, if you use the same command on data frame 3 and data frame 4, what will happen here? Cities are different. Just see, Delhi is here. Okay, Delhi is here. It is a common in these two data frames. Jaipur is here. Jaipur is also here in this data frame. But Mumbai and Patna, these two cities are not there in the data frame 4. And here data frame 4 contain Panji, but Panji is not here in this data frame 3, means these two data frames are unequal, right? Now if you apply the same command on these two data frames, what will happen? Just see, my command is df6 equal to pd dot merge bracket, now data frame 3 comma df4, df3, df4, and then I am using comma on equal to city. Now just see what will happen. It is the example of inner join, right? Inner join. By default, computer works on inner join. The joining is as the inner part of the table. Means what? The common records of these two different data frames will be there as an output in the new data frame. Just see, it is inner join. Means what is the result over here? If you just see the result, here one city column is created, then temperature column is created, and the third column is humidity. Three columns are there, and then here I am going to write the indexes. 0th index Delhi. The record, Delhi record is there in both the data frames, so it is there as a result. Delhi temperature is 16, humidity it is 65. Then the first index, on the first index, the second common value Jaipur, it is here. Jaipur with the temperature and with the humidity. So this is the data frame 5, output of the data frame 6. Just see, only common records will be there as an output on the monitor. Clear? PD.merge, df3, df4, these two data frames hold different records. For these data frames, computer select, by default, computer select the common values, common records of these frames, and then generate this type of output. Right here, by default, the joining is inner join. Inner join, just see the diagram. This is the inner join. Means what? How, with the use attribute, how we can use joining command inner. It is by default inner join. Right? If you remove that part, then also it is the example of inner join operation. Clear? Just see. If I remove this one, then the result is this one only. It is the result. Right? I hope you understand the concept what is inner join. Now, if you apply outer join, then how you can apply on these two different data frames? Just see. I am going to remove that part. Outer join means what? Outer join means all the records from the connected data frames. Just see the diagram in the meantime. Outer join means all the records of first data frame, all the records of second data frame, as well as the common records also. So if you use this command, my command is df7 it is a new data frame, df7 equal to pd dot merge, and here df3 I am going to take this data frame df3 comma df4 comma on equal to city, on which computer is going to merge these two frames, and then here I just apply how equal to outer. Right, when we use how equal to outer, when we supply the how value as an outer, it means computer is restricted now to outer join these two data frames. Just see according to this diagram. Now what is the result over here? Now just see the result. When you are going to print the data frame 7, print df7. Now the result is, first column it is city, second column it is temperature, then the third column it is humidity. All the columns are there, right, with the index values. Now you are going to put the command, you just wrote the command df3 comma df4. It means what? Very first computer shows the data frame 3 records, means Delhi is there without repetition. Okay, Delhi, then Jaipur, then Mumbai, and then Patna. These 4 records are there in the data frame 3. Then computer is going to connect, going to add the different record that is available in this data frame 4. Just see, Delhi is already here, right? Jaipur is already here. Now what is not there in the result? Panji is not there, so computer is going to add Panji record over here, right, with the indexes. Now it is the 0th index, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Done. Now Delhi, temperature is 16, humidity is 65. Clear? Jaipur, temperature is 19, humidity it is there in this data frame 4, it is 72. Mumbai, only temperature of Mumbai is available in the data frame 3. Humidity is not available in the data frame 4. So here computer will put NaN, not a number, right? Patna, temperature is available, it is 21, but humidity in this data frame 4, Patna record is not there, so computer will put NaN over here, right? Now the last one, it is Panji. Panji is not there in the data frame 3, means temperature of Panji it is not available, it means NaN is here in this temperature column, but humidity is available, so 78. Now this is the output of this command when you are going to merge two different data frames by using outer merge technique. How equal to outer? Just see, outer means this diagram. Clear? If you use how equal to inner, it means what? By default, the command works on the inner mode only. If you use how equal to inner, means Delhi and Jaipur, these two records are there on the monitor. Computer will generate, computer will show the common records as an intersection, right? In maths, this particular thing is known as intersection, and this thing is known as union, right? Outer means union. Just put all the records of the data frame and then put NaN on the particular space where you are not having the value. Done? Now we will work on left join. What is there in left join? Just see. So to create this left join, in the same command, you just make a change. Instead of putting outer here, just remove this outer and then just use left, right? Just use left, L-E-F-T, and then close the command. It means what? You are going to left join two different data frames, df3 and df4, based on left join. Now what will happen? Which is the left table? df3, it is treated as left data frame. DF4 it is treated as write data frame, right? When you are connecting these two by using left command, it means what? Left data frame record, all the records that are there in the left data frame means in the DF3, these records are there as an output with common value. Just see what is the result here? City, and then the next one is temperature, third one humidity, and then just write all the records. Delhi, the first one, then the second one is Jaipur, then the third one it is Mumbai, and the last one and the fourth one it is Patna. Right, all the records from the left table, it is there as an output. Now just put the temperature 16, 19, 23, 21. Now just go to the data frame 4. Here you just take the common records value. Delhi is there, so humidity is 65 over here. Jaipur is there in that table, so humidity 72, it is there. Now Mumbai and Patna, these two records are not there in the right side data frame. So here you just put NaN, and then NaN. This is the left join. Left means all the records from the left data frame, it will be there with the values, and then the common records that are there in the right side data frame, you have to put the values of the common record, and other than the common record, you just put NaN. Right? Output generation related questions may be there from this topic in your annual examination. Now, the last one, we will discuss about how to right join the data frames. Right join means where you are going to change. In this command, if you want to connect these two data frames by using right join, just see the diagram very first. What is there in the right join? Right, in the small letter, okay. Right join means the right side table, all the records of the right side data frame, all these records with common records are there as an output. Right? So here DF3 it is the left data frame, DF4 it is the right data frame. You are going to join these two data frames on the basis of right join means just write the records that are there in the right data frame. So the output will be city, the first one. Second column it is temperature. Third column it is humidity. And then just see what is there. City, Delhi. Just work on this one only, Delhi. Then the second part, here it is Jaipur. Then the third part, it is Panji. 0, 1, 2. Then temperature of Delhi it is 16, temperature of Jaipur it is 19, Panji temperature is not available, so just put NaN over here, humidity it is 65, 72, 78, this is the output of this right join. Clear? Just see the diagram again. Inner join means only common records of two different data frames will be there on the as an output. Outer join means all the records from different data frames will be there with NaN. Left join means all the records from the left data frame, these records will be there as an output with NaN. And then right join means what? The right side data frame records are there as an output with NaN value. Clear? So this is the merge function of the data frame. I hope you understand the function properly. Thank you. Thank you very much.